Ay, Diyos ko. Kulit. Oh, malamig na. Malapit na mag-snow. Where you going? Tell Daddy to come back here. Oh, go get that. Jelana, come here. Jelana, come here. Uy, Mikay, busy-busy ka. Hindi ka busy ngayon, Mikay. Si Edelisa nagbabalik ka. Edelisa, anong balita na? Bilis tumakbo. Si Edelisa, saan nagpunta si Edelisa? Nagbakasyon? Nagbakasyon kayo? Diyos, may pagoda. Uy, hirap naman. Jelana, come here. Andulong Team Banner. Hello. Hello, sis. Jelana, come na. Ayoko pumunta doon. Maraming lamok. Ay. Dito tayo sa may arawan. Ayan. Jelana, come here. Hide here. They're coming. Jelana, they're coming. Come here. Hide. Over there. Hide there. Hide. Stay there. Stay there. In the rock. In the rock. Oh, they're coming. Hide. Hide. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang hirap. Hirap tumawa pag may operasyon, guys. Diyos miss. Parang bubukas ang tiyan ko. Alas 7 ng gabi. Diyos me. Pinakamasakit yung ubuin ka. Diyos me, alas 7 ng gabi. Hide, hide. I know there's a lot of bugs. Oh, they're coming, Jelana. Go get the big rock.
We'll wait right here.
Oh. Where are they coming? Okay. Not yet. You need to follow them with the 4-wheeler. You should tell Daddy. Yeah. That's a good idea, isn't it? Are they coming?
Should we go get him with the 4-wheeler?
Yeah. Oh, they're coming. They're coming here.
Here.